What's up guys, Shane Stars with Droid Modder X. Today we're going to be taking a look at the fast charging, adaptive charging for the Samsung Galaxy S6. Now it has a smaller battery, or at least smaller than the 1M9, with around a 2500 milliamp hour battery. I'm not sure on the specifics right at this moment. I don't have the spec sheet in front of me. The 1M9 on the other hand has about 300 milliamp hours more. HTC is advertising that they can charge the 1M9 with USB 2.0 fast charging up to 60% in half an hour. Samsung, on the other hand, is only advertising about 1.5% charge for every minute. So that's about 45% for 30 minutes. I'm going to test this theory today and see exactly how fast does the Samsung adaptive charger charge the Galaxy S6. On the Note 4, it actually does charge super fast. I get about half a charge in 30 minutes. Now, half a charge in 30 minutes does not mean a full charge in an hour. After it hits the halfway mark, it kind of has to build up to the other half, so it's more like an hour and 15 minutes or so for a full charge on the Note 4. The Note 4 actually has a much larger battery than the S6, which is why I was skeptical as to how fast. I'm thinking it'll probably do more than 50% in half an hour, but we're about to find out. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as you guys can see, we're at 1%. Actually, you probably can't see because it's dimmed the screen, and there it goes. It's shutting down. So we're going to go ahead and plug in the adaptive charger. And then as soon as we do, we're going to go ahead and start the stopwatch on the Note 4. So we'll go ahead and plug this in. Okay, now that it is plugged in and charging, we'll go ahead and start the stopwatch. So we're going to let it run for 30 minutes. And once 30 minutes has expired, we're going to see what percentage the actual battery has been able to charge to. So here I'll just go ahead and fast forward the video so you don't have to sit here for 30 minutes and wait. But as soon as it finishes, I will catch you and we will discuss it. Hey guys, sorry about that. My battery actually just died on me, so I had to swap it out real quick. And I guess you missed about maybe 30 seconds or so of the charge. I swear to you, no funny business is going on here. My battery from the Canon did die, and I had to swap it out real quick. But anyhow, now that we are reaching the end of the 30-minute charge, I noticed when we were at about 25 minutes into the charge, we had about 40% battery, which kind of lines up with what Samsung had promised us, which is 1.5% for every minute. Now that we're actually reaching the 30 minutes, let's go ahead and see where we are at. And we're right at 50%, which is pretty crazy. I was expecting more than that, considering that the battery is smaller than the 1M9. But we're actually at 50%. 50% in 30 minutes is not too bad. It's actually pretty excellent. So this is really great because with that smaller battery, you'll probably run out before the end of the day. And if you needed to go somewhere that evening, say to a concert or out to eat with your spouse or whatever, you could actually just plug in your phone while you're getting ready. And by the time you're ready to go, you'll have half of your battery, which is pretty cool. The only downside to that is that we're using up more charging cycles, which means that our battery will die a little quicker over time, which is unfortunate because with the S6, we have a non-removable battery, which means that when we do use those extra charge cycles and it dies quicker, then we will be left without a phone, or at least a phone that would be very hard to have the battery replaced. But this is kind of proof here that the Samsung Galaxy S6 can charge up to 50% in 30 minutes, which is pretty cool. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. You can find more of me at droidmodderx.com. Follow me on Twitter at droidmodderx. Thanks, guys, for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.